Hello, welcome back to Video Wizard. Today I'm going to show you essentially what could be happening if your Premiere Pro is really slow. So, it's only ever one thing, fundamentally. It's your project is too big for your computer. Or it's too demanding for your computer is, I guess, a better way of saying it. So, there are two ways to combat this, okay? So the first one doesn't involve Photoshop at all, really. It's your computer itself. So double check that your computer's up to date, all the drivers are up to date, blah, 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 blah. You do that by heading down into your Windows, Settings, Windows Update, and you check if there's a new one. I have a new one, but at the moment I don't have this problem, so I'm not going to update mine. But if you do have an update it and then see how it goes. If that's all good, or you've updated it and you still have the same problem, what you can do is render the more demanding parts of your project. So let's say this area here, where I have two clips on top of each other, is the demanding part of the project. So what I want to do is get to this point. Well, let's hold shift actually, so we can 100% get to the main part of it. Let's also mute that as well. And then you want to press either I or this little bracket here. It's just essentially marking the in. So that's marked now. And then drag, then take this all the way to the end. Then again, you can either press the end bracket or you can say O on the keyboard. So let's do that. Now, you've got an in and an out now. So what you want to do is head up to sequence and then render in to out. Now, it's really important that before you render this, you do have an in and out. Otherwise, it's going to render your whole project. And if your whole project isn't finished yet, it can cause a bit of hassle. So my in and out is rendered. Everything in and out I'm happy with is 100% done. So now let's render it. You'll be taken to this screen. It will very quickly render it if you have a small project, but bigger project of course will take longer. But this is all rendered now. So essentially the computer has already done the hard work here. So hopefully after this your project will be running a lot smoother. And well, that's pretty much all from me today. That's a really fast, easy way to help your Photoshop get along. Make your projects run a bit faster, especially in this view window up here. If it's already rendered, it's not going to lag or anything like that. So yeah, thank you very much for watching and have a great rest of your day.